Jensen Button's F1 to now Lawnmowers, probably your favourite. What makes you...
We're as well prepared as we've ever been coming up to the mountain. Here to test. To say to everyone, we'll take the conditions as they are.
Lads, well done indeed. Give them a big hand.
Throughout now my older career, I've had the opportunity to do other things which is easier for some reason. That gap in the middle, that rest of what we all want. And as the day goes on, the track grips up. And of course, I said your individual times in this race, whoever wins this race, 100 points. Oh, handy. Which, hey, it wasn't. He was up there with the F1 car. Let's not get ourselves. So we'll, we're back to where we started. So it's going to be good. Now, around some of these corners, that's okay. You look like you're off to join the armed forces. Yeah.
These boys aren't used to this surface, so I don't know how they're going to go actually.
Yeah. I'll keep it traditional. Thanks, man. That's good fun.
Yeah, awesome work.
Yeah.
Well done, give them a hand.
Oh, shit, that was good. Thank you so much. I couldn't catch you. Fine, mud pack for the face.
Got to
Exfoliate.
Hey, we had good fun. These lawnmowers are fast. We had a really good time. We've been looking forward to this for the last 3 months, and finally get out there and second gear. If the back straight was a bit longer, we would have been up to 60, 70 Ks, you know, and in a lawnmower, that's bloody fast. It's just the biggest race of the year, you know. It's the one we all look forward to for a long, long time. It's one we prepare for, and it's what we train for, you know. So it's all going to happen this weekend. There's going to be a lot of water run under the bridge between now and Sunday, and there's some good stories, there's some bad stories, and hopefully Bathurst 2011 is a good story for me.